Here is the application for the laundry, and here we are taking the order from the customers. Here if it is an existing customer, you can go here customer ID, and you can find the customer by typing the customer name, or you can type by mobile number. Okay, then select the customer. Okay, if it is new customer, you can click here new customer. You can give the customer name and the location, select city, the credit limit. If it is the customer is paying monthly or later, you can give a credit facility to him. So you can give maximum how much amount you can give the credit facility. Then the mobile number of the customer, and the TRN number if TRN number is already there, and if customer ID customer having the national ID, and the software is connected to the Emirates ID reader, we can read the customer information by clicking on this reader national ID. Then click save. So the customer name will come here. Then you can add the items one by one. Also, there is another option to find the customer. Here you can directly type the mobile number of the customer. If the mobile number is already there, you can choose the customer, double click. So here are the categories, different categories: dry cleaning, ironing services, laundry services, different categories are there. So in each category you can add all the items predefined in the item master. So if I go for laundry services, so I'm choosing blanket washing. Quantity you can again, if you two ways you can add the quantity. Click again here, the quantity will increase, or you can click plus like this, or you can click on quantity and you can type the quantity directly. Okay. Then the dry cleaning, then ironing services, then jeans washing, shirts washing. So whatever the items you are added to that particular laundry services category, you can add that here. Okay. And if you want to add any remarks, like shirt washing is there, so I want to add starch, so you can add here in the remarks, make starch. Then was under. So it will the remarks will add to this one. So if you want to edit the remarks, then again click here remarks, starch. Okay. So and any items which is open item, like any services which is not listed in here, so you can go for an open items. So when you click general items, so it will ask you the pricing directly. So in open items you can give the prices directly, for example 7 grams, and here you can edit the item name, like shirts, like that. So once you add all the items, then you can save the order. So it will print the order form. So you can see the order form here. Order form. Also, it's conduct first laundry, washing, dry cleaning. So all the details will come here. Taxable amount. Okay. So the order is created. Okay. Then when you open the pending, you can see all the orders. When you click here, you can see that. Okay. And if customer is paying, then you can go here pending. You can choose the number here. Then you can settle here. You can settle here. So here you can settle the each order. click here settle. So you have cash settlement is there, credit card settlement is there, and you can settle the bill. Also you can see the orders here, order view. Here you can see all the orders one by one, and when you click on here view, you can see all the items inside this order. Then if you want to make the invoice, here option is there, make invoice. Then you can settle here, so the invoice will automatically convert to invoice. The order will automatically convert to the invoice. Also there is another option. Here you can direct invoice option is there. So here what we can do is, for example, if you want to make all the orders in one time invoice, like if you want to generate the invoice multiple orders, you can create the invoice in one time. Like here, for example, this 1 2 3 4 orders is there. So if this 4 orders, you have to manually, you have to one by one, you have to make the invoice. So instead of that, we can select each one and you can make it one time invoice. Means all these 4 orders can make as a invoice. So bulk settle is there. So when you click bulk settle, all these 4 orders automatically converted to the invoice. Or you can there is another option, select all. So select all, when you click, if you have more orders, you can make it select all, then make it which payment type, cash or credit card, then which invoice date, then you can click on bulk settle. So all these selected orders will convert it to the invoice automatically. And here we can you can choose the customer also. See, for example, if a customer, they are settling in monthly, so you can choose that customer. So only that customer orders from this date to this date will come here, it will fill here. So you can select all this customers orders and you can convert it to the invoice. Okay. So this is the order. Here we can create the all the orders, and here pending, you can see all the pending orders here. You can settle from here directly, or you can go for order view. Here you have the option, you can select, you can find the customer by typing the mobile number. So when you type the mobile number, all the customers starting with that mobile number orders will come here. So you can click here, make invoice. So here in this screen, we can make invoice one by one only. So each order you can make invoice. But if you go for direct invoicing, you can select the date, or you can select the customer, and you can select all the orders under this date or under this customer, and you can make to bulk invoicing. Okay. Then here you can see all the daily sales details. You can see here all the sales details from here, from this date to this date, how many invoices. Okay. And this, here you can see the customer settlement. Say for example, customers, they are paying monthly or after 2 months or 3 months. You can settle that customer from here, customer settlement. Here pending customer list will come here, so you can choose the customer, then all the customer invoices will come here, so you can pay the amount, you can update. Okay. And your daily expenses and all you can enter here. Then your general purchase details you can enter here, and then normal the reports, like the sales report, purchase reports, expenses reports, then customers reports, inventory, if you want to keep the inventory, you can use this inventory module also. So this is the basic details of the laundry system. So this is only a laundry module we discussed. So there is lots of another modules already in this system. So it's all related to the purchases, sales, expenses, and other MIS reports. All the reports you can see here in detail.